Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're jumping into one of the biggest shifts happening anywhere, really. How artificial intelligence is basically becoming the master architect for modern real estate. And this isn't some far-off sci-fi concept. It's the new blueprint for success, right here, right now. So let's just start with one absolutely massive number. $1 trillion. That is the projected size of India's real estate market by 2030. Think about that. It's this enormous landscape of opportunity. And AI? Well, AI is the key that's about to unlock its full potential. Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we'll hit the AI tipping point. Why is all this happening right now? Then we'll get into rewriting the blueprints to see how AI is truly changing the game. After that, we're opening up your essential AI toolkit, the practical stuff you can actually use. And we'll wrap it all up by looking at what this all means for the agent of tomorrow. Let's dive in. So first things first, why now? What's the big deal? Well, this isn't some trend that's on the horizon. It is happening today. The market is just flooded with data, and let's be honest, the old ways of doing things just can't keep up. AI is pretty much the only tool powerful enough to make sense of it all. So what are we really talking about when we say real estate AI? The simplest way to think about it is like a super smart assistant. It can sift through absolute mountains of data, property sales, market trends, even what buyers are looking for, to give you clear, actionable insights. It's all about turning all that noise into a real strategy. All right, now let's look at how this stuff actually works in the real world. See, AI isn't just making small tweaks here and there. It is rewriting the entire industry blueprint. We're talking about changing everything from how we figure out a property's value to how a client gets their very first virtual tour. AI's impact really boils down to three main things. First, it's helping us make way smarter, data-backed decisions. Second, it's creating these amazing, personalized experiences for clients. And third, it's streamlining operations, just making the whole process faster and smoother. Let's break each of those down. This first one is all about moving from guesswork to actual precision. AI models can predict price changes with just incredible accuracy. Take PropTech, for example. Their AI valuation tool has improved accuracy by up to 20%. That can literally be the difference between a good investment and a fantastic one. And when you look at them side by side, the difference is just night and day. The traditional workflow, slow, manual, tons of paperwork. The new AI-powered workflow, it's all automated and driven by data. You've got platforms like NoBroker that are using AI to automatically find and block fraudulent listings, which creates a level of trust and efficiency that was just impossible before. But it's not just about the back-end stuff. AI is completely changing the client's journey. You have a question at 2 in the morning? No problem, an AI chatbot has you covered. You want to see what your future home looks like before a single brick is laid? Immersive AR and VR tours make that happen. This is really about meeting the modern client's expectations for instant, personalized service. This quote from BCG really hits the nail on the head. AI isn't just making things a little bit better, it's making the entire market bigger. By expanding what they call the total addressable market, or TAM, it's creating brand new services and reaching new customers. It's fundamentally growing the pie for everyone involved. Okay, so we've covered the why and the what. Now, for the part you've been waiting for, the how. This next section is your essential starter kit. These are the core AI tools that every single real estate professional should be looking at like yesterday. First things first, you gotta have a solid foundation. And for that, you need a powerful large language model, an LLM. Think of this as your Swiss Army knife. It's the engine that's gonna power your content creation, your data analysis, and so much more. And the easiest place to start is with ChatGPT. You can use it to draft killer property listings, create a whole month's worth of social media posts, or analyze market data. But, and this is the most important part, you have to use the customized ChatGPT feature. Feed it your business info, your tone, who you're talking to. It will stop sounding like a generic robot and start sounding exactly like you. All right, next up, visuals. In real estate, we all know a picture is worth 1,000 words. Or, in this case, maybe a higher closing price. These next tools are all about turning kind of boring data into beautiful, compelling visuals that really grab a client's attention. This is where a tool like Gamma is an absolute lifesaver. You can just paste in some text from a market report you made with ChatGPT, and in about 60 seconds, Gamma spits out a stunning, client-ready presentation. Just think about that. The time it takes to make a cup of coffee, That's all you need to create something that used to take hours. That's a total game changer for your productivity. Now let's talk about a major efficiency hack. Did you know that we speak, on average, 4 to 5 times faster than we type? So why are we still typing everything out? This next tool leverages the most natural form of communication you have, your voice. Say hello to Whisperflow. It's an AI dictation app, and the accuracy is just shocking. But here's the brilliant part. It cleans up your speech as you go. You can dictate an email while you're walking to a showing, full of ums and uhs and pauses, and it will automatically edit all of that out, giving you a perfectly polished professional message. It saves a crazy amount of time, every single day. Okay, now let's get to the really cutting-edge stuff. These next tools might sound a little futuristic, but I promise you, top agents are already using them to build their brands and market properties in ways we couldn't even have imagined a few years back. So, on one side, you've got HeyGen, which can create a digital clone of you. Seriously, you just write a script, and your AI avatar delivers it perfectly on video. The top agents are using this to pump out 40 or 50 videos a month, completely dominating their local search results. Then you've got virtual staging AI, which can beautifully furnish an empty house for a tiny fraction of the cost of physical staging, helping buyers really connect with a space emotionally. These aren't just tools, they're huge competitive advantages. So we've seen all these amazing tools, but let's zoom out for a second. Because the agent of tomorrow isn't just the person with the fanciest software. No, it's the one who knows how to integrate that technology into a smarter, more effective strategy for growth. Now, you might think that success with AI is all about the tech, right? Well, according to the Boston Consulting Group, you'd be wrong. Their research shows that the algorithms and the tech stacks, that's only 30% of what makes you successful. The lion's share, a whopping 70%, comes down to your people and your processes, how you actually bring these tools into your daily workflow and company culture. And that really brings us to the most important point of this entire discussion. You can't just go out and buy an AI tool and expect some kind of magic to happen. You have to build an AI capability. And that means training your team, completely rethinking your processes, and embedding this data-driven mindset into the very core of your business. When you get right down to it, AI is giving us the most powerful set of tools we've ever had to design the future of real estate. The data is your foundation, the algorithms are your tools, but you're the architect. So the only real question left is, how are you going to build it?